Making your first $1,000 online can completely shift your mindset. It's not just about the money, it's proof that you can earn on your own terms. In this video, we're breaking down a clear step-by-step path to get there, even if you're starting from scratch. Let's get into it. The first step is choosing one thing to sell. This is where most beginners get stuck. They either have too many ideas or think they have nothing to offer. But here's the truth. You only need one skill, product, or solution that helps someone else. You could offer a service like writing, graphic design, or video editing, something simple that people pay for every day. Or maybe you prefer selling products like flipping used items online or creating simple digital products like templates or checklists. The key is to start small and avoid the trap of trying to build a full business before you've even made your first sale. Pick something that feels natural to you, something you can either already do or can learn quickly. The goal isn't perfection, it's to start. Once you've picked your offer, you need to put it in front of the right people. And the fastest way to do that is to go where buyers already are. You don't need a fancy website, a logo, or an audience. What you need is attention from the right people. If you're offering a service, set up a simple profile on sites like Fiverr or Upwork. If you're selling physical or digital products, check out platforms like Etsy or Facebook Marketplace. And if you're helping people with a skill like tutoring or coaching, start connecting in relevant Facebook groups or forums. Don't try to build a brand yet. Instead, focus on showing up where people are already looking for what you offer. Start conversations, reply to posts, or simply make your offer available. You'd be surprised how quickly people respond when you're solving a clear problem. Now that you've got something to sell and a place to sell it, your next goal is to earn your first $100. This is a psychological milestone. It proves that your idea works and that people are willing to pay you. Don't worry about scaling or branding just yet. Focus on that first win. Think of it this way, if you're offering a $50 service, you only need 2 clients. If you're flipping items, maybe 5 quick sales at a $20 profit each. The math is simple, but what really matters is the momentum. Keep it simple, respond to people fast, deliver what you promised, and ask for feedback or referrals. Once you've made that first $100, you'll have confidence, proof of concept, and often your first few positive reviews, which are all priceless. Step 4 is about building a repeatable system. This is where most people stop after that first sale, but you want to think long-term. Ask yourself, how can I do this more efficiently next time? Start by writing down your process, how you find customers, how you deliver your product or service, and how you follow up. This doesn't have to be fancy. Even a simple checklist will help you become more consistent and save time. You can also begin using free tools to speed things up. For example, use templates for your messages or batch your tasks so you're not switching between jobs all day. The goal is to make your process so simple that you can do it over and over again without burning out. With your system in place, now it's time to scale up to $1,000. This doesn't mean you need a team or fancy marketing tools. It just means doing more of what's already working. Start by increasing your volume. Reach out to more potential buyers, list more items, or publish more content. You can also raise your prices a little as your confidence and credibility grow. If you started with a $50 offer, bump it to $75 or add a premium upgrade. Another way to scale is by turning what you do into a product. For example, if you're offering coaching, create a small course. If you've written articles for clients, turn your process into a downloadable guide and sell it. At this stage, your path to $1,000 is just a matter of math and consistency. If you made $100 from 2 clients, find 18 more. If you sold 10 items, aim for 90. It's totally doable when you keep the focus tight. The first $1,000 online is the hardest, but it's also the most exciting. Once you prove to yourself that it's possible, everything changes. You stop relying on luck, and you start building a system that can grow over time. So don't wait. Pick your offer, show up where the buyers are, get those first few sales, and build from there. If this helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more real-world business tips, and let me know in the comments. What's the one thing you're going to sell to make your first $1,000 online?